To authorize Shipstation from your Desync dashboard, please follow these steps. Select Plus System. Click on Select from System Templates. From the drop-down list, select Shipstation. Select Add this system. Visit your Shipstation account. Let's go into the Account section, then select API Settings. Copy and paste the API key from Shipstation into Desync. Copy and paste the API secret from Shipstation into Desync. Still within Shipstation, please visit the Store Setup tab. Select Edit next to the Manual Orders section. Copy and paste the last numbers in the URL. The last numbers are your store ID. Copy and paste these numbers into the Desync area, showing Store ID. This will add Shipstation to your Desync dashboard.